You won't believe what Maruti Suzuki just did. They went from "May, it's just a car" to "Whoa, is this a tank?" Alright, buckle up. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, and if you think car safety is boring, think again. Let's roast Mimi and laugh our way through how Maruti Suzuki is flipping the script and making safety cool. First off, remember when Maruti was that cheap, cheerful, but, squishy car brand? Yeah, me too. But plot twist. They're now obsessed with safety. Like, mom checking if you wore your helmet obsessed. So what changed? Maruti realized that nobody wants a car that folds like a lawn chair. They started beefing up their cars. Stronger frames, airbags everywhere, and crash tests that look like action movies. But wait, did it work? Let's check the receipts. People are actually bragging, bro. My Maruti got 4 stars in safety. Meanwhile, your uncle's like, back in my day, seatbelts were optional. Here's the wild part. Maruti didn't just slap on some airbags and call it a day. They made safety their flex. Billboards, Insta Reels, even memes. Everywhere you look, it's safety first. They even made seatbelt reminders annoying on purpose. Now everyone's talking. Did you see that crash test? Bro, my car survived a coconut falling on it. Suddenly, Maruti is the cool, responsible friend, like the one who actually brings snacks to the party. So is it working? Heck yes. Sales are up, memes are flying, and people are finally taking safety seriously. Maruti's not just selling cars, they're selling peace of mind, and maybe a few dad jokes. Alright, time for you to sound off. Would you trust your life to a Maruti now? Drop a yes or no in the comments. And hey, if you've ever been in a car that felt like a tin can, hit like. Let's see how many of us survived. Oh, and subscribe for more car chaos, memes, and real talk, because next time I'm crash testing a coconut. Wait, did you think it was over? Nah, here's a bonus meme. Remember, drive safe, meme harder. If you caught the hidden meme in this video, comment Safety Squad. And share this with your friend who thinks airbags are just fancy pillows. Catch you in the next one. Stay safe, stay savage.